What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. In this video I'll be making a beat using Native Instruments Cuba. This is a great library and there's a lot of nice rhythmic and melodic instrument, and I'm going to use only one library, which is Cuba from Native Instrument, for this whole beat, for the whole video. And also I'll be using piano roll to create rhythm and melodies, because I've been asked by you guys how to create melodies using piano roll instead of keyboard. I use keyboard a lot, I just mess around with it and I'll come up with melodies from there, but you can use piano roll as well, so which is why I'm going to use piano roll for today's video. Alright, so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. Please subscribe, turn on notification, smash that like button and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, in this video I'll be making a beat using Latin instruments such as bongos, congas, and all the cool instruments that I can find in Native Instruments Cuba library. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I have these cool instruments added here. It's bongos, and I have this conga set. That sounds good. Timbales. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but sounds good. So I'm going to start with the rhythm pattern. I'm going to draw the pattern now. Nice. Okay, I like this rhythm. Okay, now I'm going to program the conga's rhythm. Dope. I like this rhythm too, right? So I'm gonna loop this. Okay, I'm gonna color all these instruments. I'm gonna press Alt, Shift and C to bring up this palette, and I'm gonna select. Okay, now let's program timbales. Let's go. Cool, I like it. But I'm going to reduce the volume now. It's kind of really loud. That's better. Okay, now I'm going to bring in melodic instrument. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm gonna copy it over. I think I want to render this first. Cut the high a little bit. Yeah, and I'm gonna add some reverb, pre-delay. Okay, let's try adding a few more stuff here. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna render this as well. Okay, let's try adding halftime. Okay, I'm gonna cut the low. Okay, now it sounds good. I love this. I think I want to add a little bit more reverb here. Let's make it wet. I'm gonna duplicate this over. Okay, this guitar, I don't really like it. I mean the pattern, I like the sound. Let's try again. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, I'm going to select all, add some swings and randomize. Okay, let's render this guy. Okay, now let's add the drums, baby. Good. Okay, let's add snap. Should we add snap or snare? I don't know. Yeah, that sounds good. I want to add some reverb. So now let's record. Quantize and add a little. That's amazing. Now let's add hi-hat. Okay, I'm going to draw the pattern for the hi-hat. For the third bar, I'm going to just copy and paste and just adjust a little bit here and there. Okay, I'm going to add something at the end here. Dope. Okay, now I'm going to add 808. Cool. Okay, I have this cool 808 now. I'm just going to record it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this beat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm losing my voice. I'm not sure why. I didn't even shout. but but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Alright, ciao.